starting to put the forms on. That's good. I guess they're going to pour on, today is Sunday, and I guess they're going to pour, I think, on Tuesday. So we better hurry. They're doing good. They have, the other day when I was here, there was only 3 or 4, and we just stopped to get them jacked up on Red Bull, or not Red Bull, but the equivalent. I don't know the name, but we only buy 6. There's 10 people here today, so she called her brother day before yesterday. So I guess he needed to do what he needed to do on the other house. They got it done, so they're all back over here again. I think they're going to start the septic system too. Is going to go over here. I think they have somebody coming to dig it today, but it all looks good. Again, they're putting the forms on. They're moving right along. So that's cool. Let's see. I believe that the termite people need to come back one more time too and retreat, and then they will be treating every 4 months for 3 years is included in the contract. All right, cool. And I'm going to find out a little bit more about the road here too. They did a little bit more grading on it, and looks like they're putting down some kind of a base, but be nice if they do it all in concrete. We'll find out, or try to find out. Say hello, baby. Alrighty. Okay, I guess we're going to get something to eat. We've eaten here before. It's really good. It's about maybe not even 5 minutes from the new house. I believe there's got a seat in the back with a fan. So take a look. And then when the food comes, we will take a look at it. See you in a minute. Also, I forgot to tell anybody that doesn't want a high sugar content or take in any extra sugar, that the 7-Up, the Coke Zero, anything that doesn't have sugar in it, they don't sell in 99% of the restaurants in Thailand. So if you're going to a place, we just stopped at 7 before we got here and picked up 3 of these 7-Ups, and they're pretty good. That and the Coke Zero is about the best. They use some kind of a different sweetener. The sweetener that they use in the United States, I guess, is not allowed in Thailand. And the sweetener that they use here is way better than the sweetener that they use in the United States. But they probably both aren't good for you. I like the one here, but if you're going to go to a restaurant, you don't want to drink anything, and you don't want to drink water, you don't want to drink anything loaded full of sugar, stop at a 7 and get yourself something that's sugar-free. Food is starting to arrive. Got tom yum, and let's see what else we got. Fried pork. And then I believe we have what kind of curry? Indian curry. And what else do we get? Oh, and katamu and rice. And then I told you we already bring the drinks. So when the other foods get here, we'll get another short clip. This is the Indian curry. Very good. We always get way too much food. I think that's a fairly norm in Thailand. Okay, so what's in this one?
one may be pork
Pork,
and squid
spoon, can,
and tilapia, fish,
fish,
shrimp,
and shrimp. Ah,
chicken,
chicken.
and
Looks very good. How's it taste?
fish ball.
Fish ball? How's it taste? You taste yet or no?
Good.
Good? Cool. 340 baht, which is about 369,
Lot.
yeah, like 10 US, 11, something like that. Anyway, it was very good. It was as good as it was last time, so consistent, and the food was awesome. But we were just talking about it, and I think if we just ordered the tom yum and maybe one or the other, we probably would have finished it all, not had takeaway, and been full. But very good, very good. We'll go back and put this up, and we'll see you on the next one.